Hello students, welcome to 5.6 guided practice. Number 4. A farm weighed and recorded his crops of pumpkins to the nearest pounds and shown in the line plot below. What is the mode of the set of data? Mode means the number that occurs most frequently. As you can see from here, number 4 occurs the most frequent, so that's going to be the mode. And then B, what is the median of the set of data? Medians means the middle number, so you can find this by using your pencil and you start crossing out 1, 1, 2, 2, and so on until you get the middle number. It should be around here or probably in here. And then C, the farmer sold 4 lb pumpkins, so the pounds you can see from here I've made it into a little easier. So for 4 pounds he sold it for $6, and then the quantity is 5. Where do you get the quantity? You can see from here the 4 pounds, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So how do you get the money? After you complete this chart, you can get the money by multiplying the quantity to the dollar. Then you can complete this table and find the total number. The answer for 4C. And then next is number 5. In a mini bowling competition, Scene scored the following. So the first one he made 17, 28, and then the third is 25, and he doesn't know the fourth one. Question: how many points must he score in the next frame so that he can achieve the mean of 25? So to get mean is by dividing total score divided by total frame. So the mean is already given, 25. The total score he got is, so far he got 17, 28, 25, and don't know, so we just make a box. And then there are 4 frames. So we do the cross multiplication, which means 17 plus 28 plus 25 plus this one equals to 100, because you multiply 25 by 4. And then later you will find the last frame score. And then B, they ask how many points must he score in the next frame so that the range is 12. So there are 2 possibilities in here. So range means the biggest number minus the smallest number. The range must be 12, so it can either be this one or this one. Where do I get 28? I get 28 from the biggest number. So, for example, if the biggest number is this one, so we need to find something else that the difference is going to be 12. Or if we find the smallest number from here, which is 17, something divided by subtracted by 17 will become 12. Then you can find these 2 possibilities. Move on to the next page, 208. Solve problems using a stem and leaf plot. In here is just explanation. A kindergarten class counted the number of carrots of each 9 rabbits ate over 6 months. The stem and leaf shows like this. So it means 57, 57, 63, and so on. The first one, if the mean of the carrots each rabbit ate is 69, find the total number. So you find the total numbers by multiplying the mean with the number of the rabbits. We have 9 rabbits. You get the total number. And then complete the stem and leaf plot by filling in the missing items. So we have some of the missing items which is in here. How to complete it? We have the total number already. You minus by 57, and then minus by 63, 65, and so on. Then you can see what is the missing number. Find the mode of the set of data. Mode means the one that occurs most often. In here, 74 occurs 2 times, so the mode is 74. Find the median. Median means the middle number. You have to arrange it accordingly from the smallest to the biggest and find the middle number over there. In here is 68. And find the range. Range means you minus the biggest number, which is 91, minusing the smallest number, which is 57. Then you get 34. What is outlier? Outlier means the number farthest from the others. In here is 91. So the outlier is 91. So you use the same way to do this guided practice. Which length is the outlier? You look at the one that is the farthest. Find the stem which has only even numbers in its leaves column. So look at the leaves. Look at which one has only even number. Of course not this one, because we have 5 and 9, which are odd numbers. Of course not this, and of course not this one either. Change some data to make mode of 26 without changing the sum of the lengths. So you have to change it so that we have 26 as mode. So you need to have something change. Just for your information, mode means the number that occurs most often.